insert a fraction between the two given fractions. So whenever two fractions are given, how to find out a fraction in between them? Okay, let me show you with some simple rule. For example, if a by b and c by d, okay, are two fractions. If these are two fractions, then a plus c, sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators, okay, a plus c by b plus d lies between these two fractions. So this between a by b and c by d. Okay, this is the rule. We can apply this rule we can apply to insert a fraction between the two given fractions. So let us take one example. Okay, insert one fraction between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. Okay, so to insert one fraction between them is 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. In between them another fraction is 1 plus 3 by 2 plus 5. Okay, numerators addition divided by denominators addition. Okay, so in between, so between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5 is this. We can simplify 1 by 2, 3 by 5. 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 5 is 7. So 4 by 7 is exactly in between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. Okay, not only the fractions, even if the mixed fractions also we can do in this way. For example, insert, the question is insert one fraction between, let us take 2 and 3 1 by 2. 2 and 3 1 by 2. Now 2 we can write 2 by 1 and 3 1 by 2 is 2 3 is 6 plus 1. So 7 by 2, converting into mixed fraction to improper, right? 2 by 1 and 7 by 2. So fraction in between 2 by 1 comma 7 by 2 here. So in between the fraction is 2 plus 7 by 1 plus 2. That's it. Then we can simplify this. 2 plus 7 is a 9. Okay, 2 by 1 comma 2 plus 7. 9 by 3 comma 7 by 2. We can write 2 by 1 is 2, 9 by 3 is 3 now. Okay, we can cancel this, right? 3 ones are 3 threes are. And 7 by 2 is as usual. 7 by 2 is nothing but 3 and half, 3.5. So between 2 and 3.5, 3's. Just to find out a number in between two fractions, just you can do this process. Just only a plus c by b plus d. If it is a by b and c by d are two fractions. And if you want to insert three fractions between, okay, we'll do the same process. Okay, one more example. The question is insert three fractions. Insert three fractions between 1 by 2 and one more fraction is say 3 by 5. So in between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5 I need supposed to insert three fractions. First, a fraction in between. Let us find out one in between. A fraction between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5 is equals to the sum of this, right? 1 plus 3 by 2 plus 5. That is 4 by 7. 4 by 7 is exactly between these two. Now fraction in between first two, okay, already 1 by 2 is the first and last one is 3 by 5. Middle I got already one, that is 4 by 7. Middle is 4 by 7. Now between 1 by 2 and 4 by 7 one more fraction we can come. So that is 1 plus 4 by 2 plus 7. Okay, between these two. And next between the second, middle and last, 4 plus 3 by 7 plus 5. Simple. Okay, between these both, this is the fraction, and between these two, this is the fraction. Now the three fractions between we can write in order now. So therefore three fractions, yeah, between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5, first and last. So they are 1 plus 4 by 2 plus 7. Okay, 5 by 9 and already 4 by 7. Next one is 4 plus 3. 7 by 5 plus 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, so these are the these three fractions between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. Okay, so this is the way we can do, just only by adding the numerators and denominators separately to make the fractions, to insert a fraction between the two given fractions.